Presenting realme NARZO 70 Turbo 5G smartphone. It is available in variants 8GB RAM with 128GB ROM, 6GB RAM with 128GB ROM and 12GB RAM with 256GB ROM. It is available in colors purple, green and yellow. It comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It comes with the fastest D7300 Energy 5G chipset and its fastest chipset in this segment. It features with 92.65% screen-to-body ratio with liquid smooth 120Hz refresh rate and Pro XDR technology that gives incredibly deep and vibrant and next-level eye comfort. AI eye protection works in the background to reduce eye strain. It comes with unprecedented 750,000 AnTuTu score, AI Boost 2.0, turbo ahead with up to 40% smoother performance. The box contains adapter, USB cable, phone case and quick guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.